Hello, today we are going to demonstrate you the all-new 4th generation automatic school bell system. This is our combo pack which contains one horn speaker, one amplifier and our 4th generation master unit. And now we are going to demonstrate you different types of sounds that we provide you with our combo pack. This is the announcement sound.
This is period number 1.
Now we will show you 3 different types of sound. First is the gong bell sound, then siren sound, then traditional metal bell sound. Now we will show you now the long traditional metal bell sound, and traditional metal bell is with announcement sound.
This is period number 2.
Now the traditional metal bell sound with announcement, and after that some prayers.
Good morning everyone, it's your assembly time. Please walk down to the assembly area.
Now let us hear the national anthem. Hope you have got a better knowledge of the product. Our sales team will be happy to hear from you. Thanks.